Hey guys, welcome back to Married to Food. I'm Marcel and this is my beautiful wife, Jeannie.
Hi guys! I'm so excited to be back! I'm usually behind the camera, so it's nice to actually be doing this again with you.
She's behind the camera, she's taking care of our baby girl, she's been shooting me and Sophia, but now Sophia's sleeping, so we gotta make this quick, people. Let's get this recipe going.
So we are doing a Nutella Banana Bread French toast.
What?
Yes.
Really?
We did a video last week with the Nutella Banana Bread, and so if you guys haven't seen that, it is our last week video. It's going to be in the description, so click on that link below.
Yes. And also, probably at the end of the video, we'll have that link. It's going to be on this side, I'm pretty sure.
Yes.
Something like that.
So let's get started with this amazing, amazing French toast recipe. So we have eggs, half and half, and a little bit of
vanilla extract. But also, if you don't want to use half and half, you can use heavy cream. It'll be nice and rich. Or if you're lactose intolerant, use some nut milk, like almond milk, coconut milk, cashew milk, whatever you want. So let's dive right into this.
Yes,
this is nice and hot.
So all we're going to do is grab the banana.
Look at that.
I know, it's so good. You can see the Nutella.
And you want to cut it in nice thick pieces.
Yeah, so you're going to let it soak on each side till it's really well coated, right?
Yeah, and that's a really good tip. You especially with French toast, you want to soak it on both sides really well.
So you get that French toast effect.
Yes, you want it to make sure it's nice and moist in there. We got a pan here, nice griddle here. I'm putting a little coconut oil spray.
But you can use butter.
You can use butter. Well, we're trying to stay fit here, you know. At least trying, you know. We're all at home, you know. We can't go out these days.
So we're gonna cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides, and then we're just gonna take it off. Add some maple syrup, some bananas, powdered sugar maybe.
More Nutella, why not? Go, she's diving in, baby. She's diving in.
Really good. Oh wait, hold on.
Look at that cheap little piece there. Is that for me or you?
Yeah.
Oh,
wait. I'm gonna put a banana.
You need a banana.
That's so good.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna try.
Are you kidding me?
You taste the Nutella, it's soft.
Holy shit.
Wow.
I mean, this brings French toast to a whole nother level.
Just like eat more.
Whole nother level, boy.
Yeah, it's really good.
And it's fat free, right?
No.
Yeah, it's fat free. You don't pay for the fat. It's free. No, just kidding. This is incredible. Again,
So
you saw how easy this was, and the description to the French toast bread pudding, Nutella French toast bread pudding, will be in the description below, and obviously this video right here. And what else?
Thanks for watching.
That's it.
Yes, that's it.
I want to eat more. Anyway, subscribe to our channel. Leave us some comments. We love shooting these videos for you guys. We're back. She's back. Hopefully she'll continue being back, right?
See, you never know.
Do I get the baby crying?
I know.
Oh, Jesus.
Gotta go.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
So good, right?
That's love.